Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today we are going to learn about the Wordpad tutorial. Like what are the components of the Wordpad? So the first thing before going to MS Word, you work on the Wordpad. First you start typing on the notepad, and then you move to the Wordpad, and then you work in MS Word. So the Wordpad tutorial, I'll tell you about the various parts, the various components of the Wordpad window. So here I'll just zoom it a little. Okay. So the Wordpad has got the menu button. It has the active tab, inactive tab, and then it has the various groups. It has the zooming options. It has the ruler and the quick access toolbar. So here you can find, look at this one. So the Wordpad window consists of the title bar, wherein it gives the title of your document. It has a menu bar wherein it gives you it lists out the menu, like the file, edit, view, picture, tools, and then you have the ruler, and then you have the formatting bar, the format bar, wherein you can align. You have the align option, and then etc, and then you have the status bar, which gives you the word count, like it gives you the number of words in the page and the page number. Okay, if you see this one, it is quite clear for you. So the components of the Wordpad. So the Wordpad has got in it the quick access toolbar, which helps you to quickly access. It helps you to quickly access the options like saving, redo, undo, and many other options, zooming, and taking a new folder, a new file. So this is a quick access toolbar. And now coming to the tab ribbon, this is a complete tab ribbon with file, home, and view tab. So we have got the file tab, home tab, and the view tab. So this one is the title bar, which gives you the title of the document, and then you have got the minimize, maximize, and the close buttons. So here you have the minimize, maximize, and the close button, and this is the text area. These are the scroll bars, which helps you to scroll up, and this is the vertical scroll bar. You're scrolling your up, down, and then here you have the zoom slider, which helps you to zoom, minimize or maximize your zoom. And then you have the status bar. So here the home tab. Okay, so now here you have the formatting options. The various options are here. So here you can go for font formatting, like font type, font size, and then here you have the bold, italic, underlined options, and then here you have the color options. Here you can insert a picture by clicking on the picture over here. Here you have the paint drawing. Whenever if you click over here, you can get the paint drawings into the Wordpad. And then here it's the date and time, wherein you can even enter the date and time for your Word document. And then you have insert objects, wherein you can insert the shapes, various shapes and objects. And then here you have the find, replace, and select all, wherein you can find for a particular word and replace it with another word. And select all options helps you to select the complete text and modify it, format it. So this is your Wordpad, the various components of Wordpad window. Thank you.